How to use Ria Money Transfer app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first step is installing the application. Simply go to your Play Store or your App Store, and then this is the app you would be looking for. As this app is not available in my region, I cannot exactly show you how to use it. But I can still tell you. All you have to do is install the application, fill in your credentials, sign up for the application, and now, like all other money transfer apps, you can easily transfer money from one place to other. So yeah, I think that should be enough information. Let's check it on Google as well. So yeah, the process, as you can see, is just the same. Just select the country you are sending money to, then enter the recipient's information, enter your payment information, choose a delivery method, and start sending money. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.